Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can give Robux to your friends without your group. So first up, open your Roblox account, and then from here on your friend screen, you just have to select on the create tab right there at the top. So once they click on this create button, now here on your friend screen, for example, you just have to go to creation tab. And then from here, they need to select their experience. So basically select on it, for example. Now the next option here, we go to the monetization option and then go to passes. Now, right from here, you will need to click on the create a pass button. And then once you click on that, as you can see, we then leave this image here. We're going to this name and type donation, for example. And then we can type a description. Once done, click on create pass. So from here, you will then need to click on the sales right there at the left side and then enable this item for sale. And then you just need to name the price in Robux. So I'm going to find 500 and then you will receive 350 as a creator earnings is 70%. So once you save these changes here, so go back, now click on the three dots and then click on copy URL. So this URL will be sent to you. And then once you receive the URL from your friend, you just have to go to your browser and paste the link. And then you will find this page and then you'll find the buy button right here. Once you click on buy, then your friend will receive that Robux. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.